OK. Constraints in Sketch environment. Start this video tutorial with the vertical constraint. OK. Click and select this line. Now in ribbon, you can click on vertical to do it. Very good. Back again. Also click on line in graphic window. Appears the shortcut menu. And select and run it. OK. You can see the new position of line. Test the horizontal constraint on this same line and see it. Try to do it and complete the job. Also you can select two different points and make this constraints. Select this 2 points. Press and hold the control button in keyboard to do it. And test it. First test the horizontal. And then test vertical constraint on this 2 points. OK. It's very good. Test it carefully and try to do it and complete the job. Back again. Next constraint is toggle lock. That fixed your selected sketch entity. Test it on this line and do it. OK. It's very good. See its sign. OK. Next constraint is perpendicular. Select this 2 lines and test this constraint. OK. It's very good. Now you can see the operation of this constraint. Next is parallel. Select this 2 different lines and test the horizontal constraint on them. OK. It's very good. Next constraint is tangent. Its command is here. In graphic window, select line and circle. And use the tangent constraint. Back again. Test it on this 2 circles. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. Again test it on circle and this arc. OK. You can see the operation of this command. Very good. Next constraint is midpoint. Select endpoint of this line. Then select this line. And do it. You can see the changes. OK. Test it on this endpoint of line and this arc. You can see the same result. Next constraint is coincident. This command is here. In ribbon. Now in graphic window. Select this 2 points of different lines. And make coincident. You can see the result. Test it by select this endpoint of line and select this line. Again see the new result. OK. It's very good. Again select endpoint of line and center point of this circle. You can see it. Very good. This time select endpoint of line and circle. See the new result. Test it on endpoint of this line. And this arc. And then test it on arc center. OK. It's very good. Next constraint is equal. This command is here. In ribbon. You can use its shortcut on graphic window. Test it on this 2 lines. And see the result. Then test it on this 2 circles. And then test it on this circle and this arc. OK. Very good. And the last constraint is symmetric. This command is here. In ribbon. Run it and active the command. Note that the command is must be actived. Test it. OK. Very good. Now select the center line. Then select this 2 points. do it by keep the control button, select all of them. And you can see the symmetry constraint is operated. Test it and do this constraint on other 2 points.